What up, y'all? It's your homeboy Justin. We back here with another hair how-to, hair dreadlock Q&A type of thing. Today's gonna be a little bit different. Today I'm actually gonna take y'all to the salon. As you can tell, my hair is black now. So we are rocking full black. We're back to black. I like the ombre. It was cool. I did that for about, let's see, did that since October, so about 7 months. But it's June. We're actually 1 month away from my 2-year lock anniversary. So I'm pretty excited. So yeah, we're gonna go back to our roots for our lock anniversary. This is what we're gonna do. But yeah, enough of my babbling for my intro. Let's go to the salon and see what me and my friend Kimi Lei has cooked up to turn what I had into this masterpiece right here. By the way, I did cut my hair, you know, slicked it all back. I'm actually about to take a trip to Michigan. I'm really excited. A week away to just relax, chill, me and my friends and my friend Paris. So that's gonna be fun. But anyway, yeah, let's go to the salon and see how we got this going on, all right? What up, guys? This is your homeboy, DREADLOCKS, Justin in your building. And my lovely friend, Kimi Lei.
Hi!
Kimi Lei, awesome hairstylist here in Wichita, y'all. Quick shout out to my 105 subscribers. Small number, yes, but we will grow and we'll get bigger and I'm excited. But today we are dyeing my hair back to black. We did a lightening a while back in it was like November, I think, or October. But we're going back to black, y'all, so we'll see what happens. So this is the last time you'll see this lovely ombre-ness. And she actually did my hair too. She did this color that we have here, so she took me to the dark side, and now she's gonna bring me back.
I'm taking you back to the dark side. I brought you to the light side.
Yes, so she's gonna take me back to the dark side, and we'll see what happens. So can you tell us exactly what you are doing to my hair right now?
I am darkening where the lightened areas are of your dreadlocks.
What are you using? What products are you using?
I'm using Paul Mitchell products, and this is a 1N. So this is black. There's no blue tint to it. So it's straight up black, and I used cream volume, 20 volume, so that it's more conditioning for the hair versus liquid.
Okay.
Or liquid processing liquid.
You hear this, guys? This is from a professional salon, like Stylist. So, you know, DIYs, do it at home, do it yourselves. You maybe want to try and stay away from those, okay? Go to someone who knows what they're doing, who knows their stuff, who knows the difference between colors, creams, liquids, 40, 30, 20 developers, all that stuff. Go to them. They know what they're talking about. Colors already changing, y'all. Colors changing.
And with Paul Mitchell products, you want to make sure that the color stays within the hair for at least 30 to 35 minutes to make sure that the color has completely deposited, so that none of the lightener will show through. And I'm taking strand by strand to make sure that the hair is well saturated. I would encourage using gloves, but unfortunately. So
as you can see, my hair is already, we've gotten done with what, the front half?
Uh-huh.
Front half of my head's already done. We've been here for about 15 minutes. And you can see the hair is already, the color is already taken to the hair pretty well. She's doing an awesome job, my amazing stylist and friend. Yeah. So another half of my head to go, and then we'll let it sit, I guess. And what we do after this, just rinse it out after it sits for a while?
Rinse, and then I will make sure it's washed and conditioned so that you can roll it tomorrow.
Yeah. So yeah, I gotta retwist my hair. It's okay. I've actually gotten to the point where I can retwist my hair in 40 minutes, like my entire scalp.
That's amazing.
So I'm pretty okay with it. I mean, I don't have the sides, you know, to do, but I'm okay with just that. Because I have so much hair in my head, Kimi has gone to mix more of the N1 black hair dye from Unloc'd. So she's back in the mixing room doing that and the coloring. I love the black though. I mean, I know my hair is already black. I think it's just nice to kind of go back to your roots. It's nice to go back to your roots every now and then. Alright, let's see. I'll check back with y'all in a little bit. Okay. All the dye has been applied to my hair now. This has been 30 minutes starting now. So we have to let it sit in for 30 minutes. And it'll process through just to make sure that the dye penetrates all of the hair and penetrates through the dye that was on it before and the lightener that we put on the hair beforehand. Right now I've been in the chair for about 40 minutes. So a pretty quick process to put it in. So 40 minutes putting in the hair, probably 30 minutes letting it sit, letting it develop into the hair. And then after that we'll wash it out, she'll condition my hair. And then I think we're going for sushi afterwards because we're starving and we really want some food. So yeah, but this is the middle process. This is my hair, y'all. The blonde is gone, the ombre is gone. I really like the all black look. I mean, it's not necessarily a look because this is my natural hair color anyway, but I just think this looks really awesome. So thank y'all for tuning in, and we will continue this lock journey. All right, let's see what happens next. And so we just got done. We just washed out the hair, and she just used some of her amazing, what is this? Which shampoo did you use? The black bottle?
Yeah, Awapuhi.
Ooh, look at this stuff. This is what she used on my hair to wash it. This amazingness right here. Awapuhi. But yeah, it smells great. My hair feels clean. My hair is all black now. Oh my god. It looks so long because it's all the same color. Oh my goodness. I like it. I'm excited. But yeah, hair's done. I'm liking the color. This is like 60. Like a but yeah. Alright, thank you, Kimmy. So I was going to wait to shoot this video in a few days after I've worn my hair for a few days to get used to the new color. Obviously it's a new color, it's all black now, it's back to normal. And I've realized I just want to do my first reactions tonight. I've only had my hair like this for maybe 20-30 minutes now. My first reactions are that I am in love with my black hair. Sorry, I want to look at it in the mirror and okay. It's really nice to be black. It's really nice to be back to black. It's nice to be black too, but for me, it's nice to be back to black. Like just my hair, I love it. And because it also, it looks longer just because there's not the demarcation of the hair from the front of my head, which is right here. So there's not the demarcation between the ombre here and then the hair in the back. And because of that, when I pull my hair forward, it makes the illusion that my hair is a lot longer than it really is, which is for me, is a cool little magic trick. I like that. It's like my hair just grew 6 inches over the course of an hour or two. So I love it. It's cool. But yeah, any other first impression? There's seriously another ant on my wall. I'm not making this up, y'all. Look at this. Okay, hold on. There's another ant on my wall. I don't know what this is. This is not a roach motel. What's my other reaction? I just love it. I just love going back to black. It's nice having my hair all one color. I'm probably gonna wash my hair again just to make sure all the dye is out. There's no harm in washing your hair. I mean, my locks have been locked up for almost 2 years now, so there should be, I mean, I slowly retwist my roots. So I love the color. I love the color. I love my hair right now. I'm pretty excited about this. But all right, we're gonna wash this hair one more time. Make sure everything is cool. Wash out the rest of the dye. Cool. All right. Well, yeah. So that's it, y'all. That's basically how you do it. That's how you take your hair from what it was. Put some dye up in there, and you know, get what you have, or get what I have. Obviously you don't have to go black. This was just using black because that was the color that I wanted to do. But yeah, special shout out to Kimi Lei for doing my hair. Great friend. I've known her for about 4 years now. We actually met at the Gap because she was working at the Gap and I started working at the Gap, and we've been working at the Gap together for a while. But yeah, she does hair too, so that's why I hit her up, and she always does good work. She was actually the person that dyed my hair to that ombre before, way back when. So, you know, she took me to that cool side, like she said, the dark side. Now we're bringing it back to the the more normal, natural side. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like it. If you didn't like it, tell me why. I need to know why. Don't just not like it and don't give me no reason or you know, a reason to make it better. I'm doing this for y'all. I'm not just doing it for my benefit. I want y'all to, you know, have more knowledge of hair stuff when it comes to dreadlocks and natural hair. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, you know, if you want to be more regular about this stuff. I'm trying to post these videos every 2 weeks. We will see how that rolls. I hope it'll work. We gonna see. I'm taking a vacation next week and 2 weeks as well, so we'll see how that works. And comment too, you know, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, I don't know what else to say. We ain't got nothing else. Is there anything else I forgot? I don't know. Okay, well, until next time, y'all. Peace.